Welcome to A Beauty Collections. Today I'm going to be talking about how to create a thumbnail on Picsart. Picsart is an app that you can download on an Android phone or an iPhone. Sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoyed this video. To start with, I am just trying to locate where the Picsart is on my phone. I actually have a lot of apps. Then you select the background. So when you select the background, you crop it to the size of the YouTube thumbnail. So you just scroll to the end, you will see the logo YouTube. So it gets to the shape exactly that it should be for YouTube. And then you look for the pictures you want to add to the thumbnail. So I select the 3 pictures I want to use, and then I scroll to click on cut out. When you click on cut out, it will show you the options that you can use to cut out the pictures. So now I just want to see the face of the person, and then I'm just going to be cutting out the background because I don't really need the background. So you just select, and if you can see that there are some patches by the side, you can also erase it so you don't have anything in the background at all, because we need just the picture of the item. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing to the 3 pictures. So what I'm going to do is that I want to show that the air bonnet is what you need to avoid hair breakage. So I have turned I have removed the background in the 3 pictures, and now I am going to be doing some other things to the picture. So I'm just trying to adjust the size of the picture and just give a twist to the picture. You might not know what exactly or how exactly you want the picture to look like. So that's just all I'm doing. I'm trying to resize the picture and to see where exactly it will be nice to put it. So you really don't need like a prior knowledge of how to edit before you are able to do this. So now I'm just going to be typing the word you want, exactly the words you want on your thumbnail. So as you know, like, your thumbnail needs to be catchy and all. So you can choose your font, and you can also choose the exact color that you want for the words. So I kind of like red a lot. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that most of my thumbnails I use the color red or like dark pink, because it really comes out on the white background. So I'm having that. You save as a draft, and then you go back to the home page. Now we're going to be looking for, you're going to be searching for, there are different things you can actually search for on Picsart. You can search for YouTube logos, you can search for arrows, you can search for whatever. So now I'm just going to be looking for arrows because I want to show the transition or what the usage of the air bonnet is exactly. And then I go back again. You apply every time you put a new thing, you apply it on the post, and then you just go back again and you go search for the exact item that you want to use again, and you just add it to the post or to the picture that you're editing, and it's perfect enough to be used. You can actually search for anything you want to use. You can search for YouTube logo. As you can see, I actually wanted a YouTube logo on this post also. I'm going to be showing you what this picture looks like after the whole edit and everything. You just keep going back and you look for whatever you want, like whatever you want, just search for it. And most of these things are free on this app compared to some other apps that you might have to pay for some of these logos or some of these words. On this app, you really don't have to pay for most things you'll be using. So that's why it's really, really good for beginners, really good for content creators, good for people that you don't need to spend a lot for you to be able to create some of this, and it's so easy for you to use. It's really easy for you to use. Yeah, I think I'm done with this. It's actually really good. It's nice, and you can just give a twist to it anyhow you want it. Like, I felt like my arrows were not staying so well. I felt like my font wasn't so good, and the words that I used, probably I should have changed it to something else. Yeah, but basically this is just how to make your own thumbnail. Very easy, stressless. I did this under like 5 minutes, and it's such a very good application. I have a lot of other applications that I use, but I can tell you that this is like one of the easiest applications that I've ever used for my thumbnail. Like, when I'm making my thumbnails, I make it when I'm about to post on my YouTube channel, like just as soon as I want to post on my YouTube channel. So after you're done with everything, just press the save and you can download the photo. You don't have to subscribe for anything or try the free trial. You don't need to try the free trial. When it brings up that page, just cancel. You don't need to do anything at all, and you can post directly on any of your social media platforms. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like this video, and please share with your friends. I will be dropping more entertaining and educative videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you. Bye.